Hello, this is a review for the ResQlink 400, a product from a company called ACR. It's a SOS personal locator beacon, which stands, PLB is another name. They also make some of them called an EPIRB, which is a little bit different device, but the same concept is you would deploy this or use it in a life and death situation where you needed first responders, fire, rescue, whatever, Coast Guard, EMS, whatever you would need. You would push this button right here, open up the antenna, push the button, and it sends a signal to first responders, and they let you know your position. You just open up that antenna. There's a button right there that you push. The T button is if you want to test the battery every now and then. They say to test it I test mine once a year is the best practice to do, and I've owned several of these. It's an item that you want to have on your boat. For me, it's on the boat. You could use it hiking, camping, hunting, whatever. And I hope I never have to use it. I'm glad it's there. It's in the background of my mind. It's like, okay, if we have an emergency, the first thing I say is grab the EPIRB or the PLB, the ResQlink. It's built-in GPS. There's no subscription required. It floats. It's used around the world globally. So you could be in Australia, Africa, Antarctica, and it should work. It's a global thing. Through maritime law and all that kind of stuff. 24-hour plus operation, so once it's deployed, it's supposed to last 24 hours. Now the battery life, it's got an expiration date on the side right there. It's a little small to see this one. Mine says it expires in March of 2028, so I've had it for a couple years already. The battery lasts a long time. Normally what I've done after 4 or 5 years, I've just gone and bought a new one because the technology keeps evolving and getting better and better and better. But again, it's the ACR ResQlink, and it's a PLB, personal locating beacon, designed to carry on yourself wherever you go throughout your travels, and to be used wherever you can't have a cell signal to notify first responders of an emergency event that you need their help. I highly suggest you get one of these, and you'll probably love it as much as I do. Thank you.